Galaxy Group of Science. Welcome dear students to Computer Studies Standard 11 Chapter number 1 Introduction to Multimedia. We are in the fourth video and here we are going to discuss about the multimedia elements, image, graphics. In the present days, almost all the multimedia presentations are graphics or image based. That is, the contains graphics or images only doesn't contain one multimedia element, that is text, but they are contained in graphics or images. Information which we share with image is easy to remember and understand. Information shared with image is easy to remember and understand. For example, if you have read a paragraph describing the place, then will we read the paragraph 2-3 times to remember that place, and we will go on and visualizing place according to the text which is described the place. But if you have seen that the photography that the place, that is very easy for you that the remember that place. Another example, somewhere the different people also we are able to suppose famous any actor or actress. Immediately the image that will come into your mind will be come into your mind, because seeing that actor or actress for also seen many times. So image plays is very important role in making the multimedia presentation interesting and also remember. And image can be obtained by clicking a photo with smartphone or digital camera. If a printed document is to be converted to a digital image, it could be scanned with an image scanner. Images are stored in the computer into forms, but the images use a multimedia application can be of two types. First, photographs converted into digital form with the help of scanner. Photographs converted into digital form with the help of scanners. Second one is created on the computer using special software. Here, computer store a picture in two types of forms. Computer store a picture into two types of forms. First of all, raster or bitmap images. Image stored in the form of pixel is known as a bitmap or raster images. A pixel, short form picture element. A pixel, short form picture element, is the small dot on the screen. Pixel is the small dot on the screen. A map is two-dimensional matrix of these dots. Thus, a bitmap is simple matrix of tiny dots which form an image on computer screen. Each pixel contains values representing a color. When an image is sent to be displayed on the screen, the picture data is converted to pixel. When an image is sent to be displayed on the screen, the picture data is converted to the pixel. More the number of pixels, the safer will be the image quality. We get facilities of setting the screen resolution. In that, the more the number of pixel increase the sharpness of our computer screen. The lowest number of pixel will be 800 into 600 and the Windows 7 is highest will be 100 360 into 768. Each pixel contains values representing the colors. When an image is sent to be displayed on the screen, the picture data is converted to the pixel. For example, .gif, .jpeg, .png, .tiff, .bmp, .psw, etc. Next one is vector graphics. Here, content of image are described using positioning and size of geometric forms and shapes as line, curves, Bitmap is a simple matrix of tiny dots which form an image on the computer screen. Each pixel contains value representing a color. When an image is sent to be displayed on the screen, the picture data is converted to the pixel. For example, .gif, .jpeg, .png, .tiff, tagged image file format, .bmp, bitmap image, .psd, Photoshop document, etc. So many extensions. We get the facilities of setting the screen resolution. In that, the more than number of pixels will increase the sharpness of our computer screen. The lowest number of pixels will be 800 into 600 and the Windows 7 is highest will be 100 360 into 768. Next is vector graphics. Here, content of image are described using positioning and size of geometric forms and sharp as line, curves, rectangle and circle and is stored in the form of mathematical equations. A vector image can be easily enlarged or shrunk without affecting the quality of the image. Another form of image generated by computer is vector graphics. What is vector graphics? So, another form of image generated by computers is vector graphics. They store the images in the form of mathematical equations. On the screen, both bitmap and vector graphics looks the same. But when you enlarge the bitmap image, it will blur and the pixel will get the enlarged. The vector images, on the other hand, looks the same when enlarged. This is because the data is stored in the mathematical form. Data is stored in the mathematical form and the values are recalculated when displayed on the screen. For example, WMF .cdr .svg etc. Typically, these files are compressed to save memory space. Bitmap image file format like .gif, .jpeg, .png use comparison within the file itself. When we enlarge the image, it is enlarged using mathematical calculations. Different types of image file use its explanation. .bmp, the file with the extension is .bmp. It is a bitmap image. Description is .bmp is it as a bitmap image, uncompressed image file used to store bitmap digital images. Second one is .gif. The file with the extension is .gif, graphical interchange file format type. Description is common for web graphics with small images and images with txt. Use limited number of colors. Next one is .png. .png, the file with the extension is .png. Type is portable network graphics, used to store graphics for web images and support up to 32-bit colors. Supports up to 32-bit colors. It was an improvement over GIF. It displays transparent background. Then next is .jpeg. The file with the extension is .jpeg. Full form is Joint Photographics Expert Group. Image file. Type is Joint Photographic Expert Group image file. Type of file. Description is common image format used by digital camera. Support up to 24-bit colors. Next is .jpg. The file with the extension is .jpg. JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group image file, same as JPEG or JPG, both are same. Next one is .psw. PSW extension is PSW, the file with the extension is .psw. Type of file is Photoshop document. Description is image file created by Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is one type of application. Next one is .tif. TIF is the file extension with the .tif. Type of file is tagged image file format. Description is highly flexible and platform independent format which is widely used today. It is a bitmap image. Okay, then how to insert image in a presentation. First of all, open a Microsoft PowerPoint. Insert image in a presentation. The first way is you can click on this insert menu Then picture icon, insert a picture from file, click, then choose a folder, then open. You can also drag the image and adjust up to the described slide. Okay. Other way to insert the image, to click on the click on this icon, insert a picture from file. You can click on this icon, then you can select the image which you want to insert. You can also drag the image and adjust up to the slider. Okay. Next, third way is copy the image and paste it presentation. This is the most common way. Suppose image is copy, then paste, adjust image, okay, add images. So clear how to insert an image. Okay, thank you.